welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going to Busan, and this time we're going on a solo trip. Well, it is solo the way there, and I'll be spending one day by myself, but I'll also be meeting two friends in Busan. Oh, so it looks like we're almost at the station, so I'll see you very soon. I'm taking the 9 a.m. train, which is actually faster. It gets there in 2 hours 10 minutes.
I've been trying to take my eyes off you. Oh girl, it ain't easy, just let go of that body. Why you gotta keep flirting?
Our tickets. My friend wasn't picking up, and I had to write down her birthday and everything, so I was like trying to scroll through social media and see when her birthday was. That was such a struggle. But got our tickets anyhow. Anywho. I'm so excited for the yacht. The last time I rode one was in Jeju. Kind of curious to see how different the Busan water is. 혜지야! 혜지! Ah! She's running away. 혜지! 안녕. 나도 콩콩 끼워도 돼?
하나짜리로 이동 부탁드리겠습니다.
오. 귀엽다, 우리 마스크.
Come on, yeah. Send a little DM, trying to make some plans. Trying, baby, later in the PM. Hope that you will understand. I think that if you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice. I wanna hold you, let me feel you till the morning light. I'm more than just 9 to 5. So everyone's known it's only you and I.
Going to the top.
Time to play what you say. I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5, baby. Ooh, I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say. I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than I desire. Oh, yeah. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Oh, yeah. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. You're up all night.
안녕. 육전이라고 안에 고기고 전. 잘 먹다. 맛있는데? 한번 먹어봐야겠다. Okay, so 나 영어 갑자기 까먹었어. Okay, so the challenge is we're going to each sing one song, but first we're going to do a warm-up. But anyway, we're going to sing one song each, and whoever gets the highest point wins. 됐지? 오케이. 일단 첫 곡은 그러면 뭐야? 해서 첫 곡 뭐였지? 아까 뱅뱅이. 뱅뱅이 할까? 좋아. 나와? 마이크가? 너무 커지. Oh my god! 인정. 이겼네. Okay, so we have to go for second round because we got the same score. To be honest, I think Keji won, but I don't know what song to do next.
I got one less crop without you. I got 99 phones, but you won't be one like what? One less crop without you. I got one less crop without you. I got one less
좀 더 신나게. 땡. 대박. 이거 찍는다? 예. 대박. 시키고 갈래? 아니면 먼저? 야, 1, 2, 3, 4. 오오오. 여기로 가는 건가? 4층은? 오!
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Guys, look how big this is. It's literally this big. 이것만 딱 빵 하나야. Not the entire like this one. Oh, is it like 이렇게 one layer? Oh. 근데 그래도 이 크기가 크고 있어. 근데 이거 봐. 그러니까 이거 먹으려다가 literally. 와, 저거 초콜릿. 저거 참 커. 야, 그거 먹고 지출하겠다. 저거 먹으면 이제 저녁.
We'll find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens with
아니, 뚜껑을 다 뚜껑으로. 안녕. 그렇게 반해서 구독자들한테 안쪽 그거 보여줘.
you can.
왜?
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down.
별론가? 날 찍고 난 네가 내 옆에 와서 이거 같이 보고 있는 줄 알았어. 아니 진짜 그래서 약간 괜찮지 않나? 네가 대답이 없길래 아닌가?
I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let's just be free and maybe you'll find that there's more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
여기 있습니다.
이럴 때 찍으려고. 비빔다.
네. 감사합니다. 여기까지. 네. 와. 감사합니다. 감사합니다.